listen to a song I will sing about my daddy who ran a log train way down in the Southland in old Alabama. We lived in a place that they called Chapman Town. And late in the evening when the sun was low, way off in the distance you could hear the train blow. The folks would come running and Mama would sing, get the supper on the table, here comes the log train. Every morning at the break of day, he'd grab his lunch bucket and be on his way. Winter or summer, sunshine or rain, every morning he'd run that old log train. Sweating and swearing all day long, shouting, get up there oxen, keep moving along. Load her up, boys, 'cause it looks like rain. I've gotta keep rolling this old log train. This story happened a long time ago. The log train is silent, God called Daddy to go. But when I get to heaven and always remain, I'll listen for the whistle of the old log train.